Hello, in this video I will show you how to do a hard reset of Google Pixel 8 through settings. So you have to start with opening your settings application, and now scroll down and click on System. Now scroll down again and click on Reset Options, and here click on Erase All Data. And now you have to confirm by clicking Erase All Data and click again on erase all data, and now your factory reset procedure has been started. And as you can see, your device is back to factory settings and you have to do setup again. So that's it for this video. If you like it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.